So there are a lot of terms that are used in divorce actions, and perhaps you aren't familiar with them, and perhaps your attorney is not explaining them to you. So let me try to help you here. First of all, the first document that is usually filed in a divorce action is called the summons. It is a summons and it has an automatic order. What does that automatic order mean? Well, it's really important that you know. Once that automatic order takes effect, which is when you file the action or when your spouse is served, then you cannot, for example, borrow monies from a retirement fund without actually asking your spouse in writing or getting permission from the court. There are also other transfers and loans that you may not be able to take. So you want to read the automatic orders very carefully. Speak to a trusted attorney about this. In terms of other items, there may be discovery, and you may say, what's discovery? Well, discovery is an opportunity. It's an opportunity to learn about your spouse's finances and perhaps your own. And it may include getting a lot of documents, credit card statements, bank statements, W-2s, 1099s, information about a business, general ledgers. I could go on and on, but I don't need to for this. Just understand that discovery is a process where you're producing documentation and getting documentation. What's an EBT? An EBT is an examination before trial, and you may see that there's a notice of an EBT. It's so that your spouse can be asked questions, or you can, under oath in an attorney's office usually, about your finances. There are other items, such as legal custody. What does that mean? Well, that's how people make decisions. Physical custody. Well, where are the children going to be? Are they living with one spouse primarily or another spouse primarily? What's the access schedule? What does that mean? It means what's the schedule for your children to go between two homes of two parents? There are a whole host of other terms that you may not be familiar with, but I'm so happy to help you if you need to. Just go to my blog at lisazeiderman.com and take a look at the terms and how we have defined them.